We have discussed about survivorship curves and we are studying the population characteristics. Now, after survivorship curves, the term comes about the biotic potential. It depends upon the intrinsic rate of growth denoted by small r, that is the difference between the number of individuals taking birth to the number of individuals dying off in a particular population in a unit time. So the biotic potential designates the maximum reproductive potential of a population of a species. Now, under the population characteristics, after studying size, density, and the dispersion, and the natality, mortality, after that survivorship curves, then the term comes the life tables. Information on natality and mortality in different ages and sexes are combined in the form of life tables. That is, as you see in this table, the first is the first column denotes the age, that is from 0 to 1 year, from 1 to 5 years, 5 to 10 years, 10 to 15 years, 15 to 20 years, and so on. And the probability of death is calculated and is shown in the second column. Then the number of persons surviving of the exact age, that is calculated, and then the number of deaths that are occurring during the age interval. These constitutes the life table of an population of a species. Now, second head under which we can study population ecology is the population dynamics. When the term comes dynamics, then all the numerical value that we calculated in the population characteristics heads are now studied by the three methods, that is the mathematical model and the laboratory studies, and third one is the field study. Mathematical model is of two types, that is theoretical and the simulation method. The theoretical model, when applied in the lab condition, it constitutes the simulation model of the mathematical model. Second one is the laboratory studies. We can study